How's it guys? Welcome back. I'm Macon Campbell and this is Making Stuff. So today's going to be a very spur of the moment kind of project. I woke up this morning and had this feeling inside me that I just had to make a knife. I don't know if you guys get that too, but this is my first time. So I don't have all the tools and materials needed to make a real knife, so I decided I'm going to make one out of wood instead. So I quickly drew this up this morning. If I'm not mistaken, this is called a Karambit. The ash is going to be the blade, the whole thing actually, and I'll just have separate scales that go on the side. So less talking, let's do this. So I guess there are a couple of ways I can put this knife on here. My first instinct was something like that, but then I realized that the grain of my wood is going this way. That's going to mean that my tip is liable to break off because the grain is going through it this way. So what I'll rather do, twist it like that, so I have my grain running along with the blade. That should hopefully make it a bit stronger. So let me stick it on there and get it cut out. So I was going to use teak or rosewood for the scales of this knife, but then I remembered last night I rescued this piece of wood from the fire. This is a piece of camel thorn. This is typically what we use for fire here in Namibia. So let's get this on the bandsaw and see if I can get something workable out of this chunk of wood. So my Karambit is finished, and I have to say, I can't remember the last time I had so much fun making anything. Thank you very much for watching, and if you want to see more projects similar to this or anything else that I might get up to on this channel, hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if subscribing and liking my video is not enough for you and you'd like to support me some more, I'll leave a link to my Patreon down in the description. And thank you very much for watching, and until next time, keep making stuff.